Evening rain. Mina heads home, drained from the office. No new messages. She hugs her jacket against the chill. A violin under a street lamp makes her pause. She doesn't know why, but she stops. The melody stirs small wishes, laughing with friends she hasn't seen in months. Steam rising from a quiet cup of tea. A room that says breathe, not grand dreams. Maybe tomorrow is gentler, even if today was heavy. Just room to breathe and to belong. Simple hopes, quietly waiting. She closes her eyes, rain on her face. Exhale. It's hard sometimes. It's okay to feel tired. The notes fade, her phone stays silent. A shy, real smile. Umbrella folded, she steps back into the wet street. Small moments matter. She's ready for another day.